What's up, everyone? This is TheSuperRep. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for joining us, joining me, I should say. On this channel, we're going to be talking all about cryptocurrency. We're going to cover Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin's children, Cardano, many cryptos. But most importantly, we're going to be talking mostly about Tron. Tron is my favorite cryptocurrency out of any out there. For those of you who don't know what it is or you're not really familiar with it, Tron is it's a cryptocurrency that obviously can be used like any other. You can send and receive coins used as a digital currency, but it can also, it's similar to Ethereum where it can support smart contracts and tokens. You can save, like, for example, like the US dollar Tether is stored on Ethereum. It's also stored on Tron. Not only that, the Tron blockchain, or at least the Tron network, it's extremely fast. Transaction fees are extremely low. I mean, it's pretty much no transaction fees. And if you do have to pay transaction fees, it's extremely cheap. All around, it's definitely it has the most potential. It's the most scalable. Capable of up to 2,000 transactions per second. It's definitely gotten my attention, and I think that a lot of you will find it fascinating too. So I'm going to be telling you a little bit about that, and we'll be going over a bunch of other cryptocurrencies as well. But the biggest thing, a couple of other differences it has. So you have Tron. It's a delegated proof of stake blockchain, meaning without getting too complicated, meaning proof of work, which is like Bitcoin and Ethereum, you have to invest in expensive computer hardware in order to help mine blocks on the blockchain. With Tron, it's a lot different. You don't need any computer hardware at all. In fact, you technically could do all of this with a smartphone through the delegated proof of stake. Basically, it involves using your coins. You use your coins and delegate them to a super representative on the Tron blockchain. Once you delegate them, that actually earns you over 6% in interest a year on however many coins you stake. So it's actually pretty good. It's always reliable, and it's risk-free to you. So, and there's other benefits that come with doing that, but I just want to give you a brief summary about it now. We're definitely going to be getting more into the Tron, especially later on. But one thing I want to mention, when I say it's risk-free, you at least know I'm not going to be lying to you here, because I'm not here to sell you anything. I'm not even here to ask you to buy anything. The only thing I might ask you to do is hit that subscribe button and like the video if you learn something from it. But what I'm really here for is just to teach you all about cryptocurrency, help anyone out that has interest in learning more. If you want to know things about how to keep your cryptocurrency safe, to make sure maybe that's held you back from buying it because you're afraid it might get hacked, or might lose it or something like that. Those are very legitimate concerns. So I want to help teach all of you basically good habits and good ways to keep your coins safe, and also more of the basics. We're going to be going over more of the basics first, like how to buy it, or at least how I buy it, how to create a wallet, and how to send and receive coins. I think that at least knowing how to use a cryptocurrency wallet and how to send and receive coins, it's going to be essential knowledge here in the near future, in my opinion. Basically, the next video I'm going to be doing is going to be like my first instructional information video. I'm going to do one on how to set up a Tron wallet in the Google Chrome browser. Again, I just want to thank you guys for watching. I want to welcome you to the channel, and I hope y'all learned something. At any time though, I'm always happy to engage with all of you, and if you have any questions, please put it down in the comments. I will always reach out to you guys as much as I can. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and click on that next video.